Here's how to use the Amazon affiliate marketing program to make anywhere between $100 to $300 a day as a total beginner in 2022. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video guys, we're going to talk about Amazon and more specifically the Amazon affiliate program. You might not know this, but Amazon was actually one of the first e-commerce companies to offer an affiliate program back in the 1990s. I think it was like 1996 or something like that. And today there's so many people who make money thanks to Amazon, either as an Amazon seller or as an Amazon affiliate. Amazon generates over billions and billions of dollars every month, and they pay millions of dollars to affiliates all over the world. So what if you could get like a small piece of that pie? That would be pretty cool, right? So that's what we're going to look into in this video. So one way you're going to make money through the Amazon affiliate marketing program is by making use of those gadget videos. I'm sure you've seen a lot of them before, those crazy gadgets that you didn't even know existed, you know, like those, I don't know, screen magnifier for smartphone or luxury smart pen or some, I know, LED powered beanie cap, you know, all kind of crazy gadgets that, you know, you most probably didn't even know exist, and yet when you see them, they make you want to buy. So this is what we're going to talk about, and, you know, see how you can make money using those kinds of videos. Those videos tend to be extremely popular. They attract a lot of attention. They invoke curiosity. They tend to solve a lot of different problems. You know, they look cool as well. So, and the thing with those kind of gadgets is that they tend to attract a lot of impulse buyers. If you check some of those channels here, you will see, for example, this channel, You Fact Tech, which has over 350,000 subscribers. They post a lot of those gadget type of videos, which tend to get a lot of views. They have very appealing thumbnails, and those videos aren't as hard as you might think to create, okay? And I'm going to talk more about this later in this video, but those videos are actually very easy to curate and to create. And how exactly they are making money is by referring their viewers to Amazon, because a lot of those products are actually found on Amazon. You might not know this, but they're actually a lot of them on Amazon, and you can simply refer your viewers to Amazon and you would get commissions on every sale that you make. And given that a lot of those videos tend to get like hundreds of thousands of views sometimes, you can make a decent amount of money promoting this. And what you would do exactly is you would find similar videos to these, edit them a little bit, and then post them on social media such as YouTube or YouTube Shorts or TikTok, generate traffic, and eventually generate sales. You don't really have to worry about copyright issues on this one, because a lot of those creators of those products, they want you to promote their product, so they won't mind if you take some of their videos and you put it out there on social media, because that's like free promotion for them. So you don't really have to worry about, you know, copyright issues. Actually, you're very unlikely to get any kind of copyright strike promoting those kinds of products. So how can you get started with this if you want to do something similar? So step one, what you want to do is you need to go and find similar videos to those videos that I just showed you. For example, let's just say you've seen one of those videos that you want to create for your channel. You could simply, there are three different ways you could go about finding those videos. You could go on the tech channels themselves and see where they got those videos from. A lot of times they will have the link to where they got those videos from. So that's one way of finding those videos. The second way of finding those videos is you could simply go on YouTube and simply type the product in the search bar, and you can find the promo ad for this video. As you can see here, if I type it BioLight headlamp, I found the video ad for this particular product. So that's the second way you could find those videos for your chosen product. And the third way is to simply go on Amazon and find the product. You will see that a lot of time the product will have a video ad or a video of the product itself. So that's a third way of finding videos for your chosen product. So once you found the videos that you want to use to create for your YouTube channel, step number 2 is to now download those videos. So if you found those videos on YouTube, simply go to the video page where you found the video, and at the top where it says www.youtube.com, in front of the word YouTube, simply type SS and simply press enter. And what's gonna happen is you will be redirected to another page, save from .net, where you can download that video in whichever format that you want. For example, over 720p, 360p, or 1080p. So you can download that video in here. So that's an easy way of downloading videos off of YouTube. If you've now found the video from another site, then to simply download that video, you would simply go on Google and type it download any video, and you will have a lot of different sites that will download videos from any site you want. Simply try one of those links shown in here. So you found the videos that you want to create, you've downloaded those videos. Now step 3 is to upload and edit those videos inside of an editing tool. Now you can use Canva. Canva is an online photo and video editing tool that you can use. You can simply create one of your videos and drag it into one of those templates. Now it depends on which platform you want to post your videos later. So if you want to post your videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok, obviously you want to use a format that is similar to like a smartphone. But if you want to post it on YouTube, you want to use the traditional, computer size format. So for example, I just drag a video in here. I downloaded off of YouTube, and then I give it like a blue background, and I added like a small description at the top: amazing multi-tool belt. Check description for Amazon link. So this is like an easy way, like you could create a video and edit them inside of Canva. As I've said, you can upload your videos either on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok, or on YouTube itself. My advice to you is to do it on YouTube, just like those channels that I just showed you, because clearly it's working for them, so it should work for you as well. So and also YouTube traffic is, in my opinion, the best traffic out there. So if you can generate traffic off of YouTube, you are almost guaranteed to start making sales. So my advice to you is that to try YouTube instead of the other platforms I talked about. And also, it works because you see those channels doing it already, and it allows you to study your competition so that you can do similar things to what they are doing. And finally, step 4 is to upload your videos on YouTube or on those other platforms I talked about. You need to upload a lot of those content, okay? If you're uploading on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, then your videos are going to be very short, so you should be able to upload a lot of those videos. I'm talking like 4, 5, or 6 videos a day, because you need to understand that you're trying to build free traffic. So when trying to build free traffic, you need to upload a ton of videos, because the more video you post, the more exposure and views you will get, and the more views you will get, the more link clicks you will get, and eventually the more sales you will get. So that's the one thing when trying to build free traffic. You need to put as much content as you can out there to increase your chances of one of your content going viral and thus making you a lot of money. One word of advice I want to give you is if you want to make money through the Amazon affiliate program, you will need to sign up to their affiliate program and wait to get accepted inside of their program. But in order to increase your chances of getting accepted, my advice would be create your channel first, start posting a bunch of your videos first, start getting a few hundreds or thousand views first before applying, because then when you apply, they will see that you already have a small following, you're already getting tractions on your videos. You will be way more likely going to get accepted after that. And obviously be consistent, upload every single day. This method 100% work. I showed you those channels that are clearly getting views and making money doing this. So this will definitely work if you decide to apply this and be very serious about it. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video and you've liked what I've showed you in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.